Hey guys, hope you all are doing fine. So today I'm gonna share with you all how can you design your own gift wrap. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So here I have taken a brown paper and now we'll take a dash of black acrylic color and start making strokes of around 2 to 3 centimeter. Make these strokes on the entire sheet. Once you have completed making on all the sheet, now we'll wrap it into a gift and this is how it looks. So artistic, isn't it? Now the second technique is the potato stamping. For this, I have taken a potato, cut it into half and carve out a heart shape. You can make any shape you want, like triangle, rectangle, circle. I have carved a heart shape. Now apply some white acrylic color and then we'll make a stamp. Now apply some more color. Take some generous amount of color so that when you make a stamp, it doesn't look patchy. Now if you have kids at your home, you can even involve them as well, as kids just love stamping. So they'll enjoy doing it and your work will be done. Make this heart stamp on the entire sheet, and once you have done it, this is how it looks. Now we'll wrap it into a gift and this is how it looks. I have wrapped a mobile phone box over here, tied with a ribbon and added a tag. And your gift look extremely attractive, isn't it? Now the last technique is the confetti style. For this, I have already wrapped my gift. These are the punched red circles made from red pastel sheets. Now we'll apply a fevistick in the center of the gift. We'll make a straight line. Now start sprinkling the circles over the glue applied. Make another line with the fevistick and sprinkle the circles over it. You can even use Fevicol instead of Fevistick, as Fevicol gave much better results than Fevistick. So I would recommend you all to use Fevicol instead of Fevistick. Now give your gift a bit shake so that any extra could come off. Now make similar two lines in the center, but this time horizontally. Do the same on the sides as well. And yes, your super attractive gift is ready. So thank you all so much for watching my creativity and would love to hear from you about this. And stay tuned for the next one. Until then, bye bye.